Hey guys, it's Tepco Cycle Repair. Today I'm going to do a quick video about AC in these Mazdas. Now, a lot of people will drive around and their AC starts blowing hot on them. It's not blowing cold anymore, and it's an easy fix. You just got to know what to look for. And I'm making this video because if you guys have this problem, I want you to look at it. It's easy to figure out. And if this is your problem, it's a simple new set of gauges, okay? So let me show you what happens here. So I'm going to turn the fan on. You might get some fan noise here, but let's turn it on before. All right, so you see the AC light right here? In order for your AC to work, this light has to be on. So if you put this in a certain position, or this knob, this fan knob starts to wear out, watch what happens. See how it's blinking out? All right, so right here it's blowing cold. And if you touch this knob, just move it around a little bit, you'll see your AC light flickering. Put it on 3. So this one here, 3 position works good, 4 position works fine, 1. But when you're in 4, you'll still hear the fan going, but the light's blinking. Sometimes I can move it in a way where there you go. All right, so you see I'm in position 4 and I got no AC light, just came back on again. That's a bad switch, all right? And this switch, you can see me just touching, it's going in and out. So what'll happen is you hear the fan blowing on 4, so you think it's working, but the light's not on here. So if this light's not on, wiggle this the knob around right here, or see if it works in another position, the light comes back on again. If it does, get yourself a new set of gauges right here. I went to the junkyard and I got a new set here, and these are starting to wear out now. His didn't work in 3, it didn't work in 2, it only worked in 4, and now this one's starting to go out in number 4 fan speed. All right, so there's a lot of videos about how to take this apart. But the main thing I wanted to show you guys is that, check this. If your AC is not working, it starts to blow hot, just wiggle it around a little bit and see if that AC light starts flickering. And if it does, you know that this is your problem. It's your fan switch, not the AC switch and not the temperature one. It's the fan one. Just go ahead and order one up, and you'll be good to go. Guys, I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you out to stay cool in the summertime. Until next time, guys, it's Tepco Cycle Repair.